Hello guys, it's Mary Jane, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. So, about 2 years ago, I loved this game called Danganronpa. You might know about it, you might not. Well, you'll probably know about it if you're clicked on this video, but I loved it so much. But then I kind of got out of it. And I really regret it because I love it. I still love it, but I'm just not so invested in it as I used to be. Basically, I watched the games from John Wolf on his second channel, John's Wolf, with his girlfriend, now fiance, I believe, Kimmy. And I went so out of order. It was third game, then second game, then first. And I still haven't watched all of it. Like, I watched most of it, but there's some still bits and pieces that are going to be completely new to me. And one of my favorite YouTubers, who used to be my favorite YouTuber, Kubz Jay, he has been doing a playthrough of it, and I'm going to react to it and try to get back into Danganronpa. Because as soon as I heard that music, my heart just, I don't know, it's so important to me. So, right now, I have some cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which is my favorite. And yeah. Alright, guys, let's get started on this.
But it's no wonder I would feel that way. What you have to understand is, well, let me just tell you about the preparation I did last night to get ready for today.
I always think he's horny when he says
tell me all about that preparation. What is this? You think I'm going to read all that? Hope's Peak only invites those students who are the truly elite in their field. It's such a popular topic. There are threads online dedicated to talking about the school's attendees. So to prepare, I looked up some of those threads, and all I saw was talk about ultimate students who were way beyond your average high schooler. Okay, let's see the ultimate. Ooh, okay. For example, one incoming student is the ultimate pop sensation. I guess she's a high school girl who's also the lead singer for a pop group famous all over the country. There's also the ultimate baseball star. He was the cleanup hitter for the national high school champs. Pro teams already have their eyes on him. Then there's the ultimate fashionista. She seems pretty average to me. Pretty mundane. No, bland. Run-of-the-mill. Here every day. She's been on the cover of tons of fashion magazines. She's what every high school girl wants to be. Really? People want to be like that? Not me. Not I. This dude looked like he got a worm on his head. Oh, and they mentioned the ultimate biker gang leader, too. The scary thing is, he's the de facto leader of every biker gang in Japan. Gangs everywhere love the guy. He's in high school, though. Nobody's going to listen to him or respect him. On top of that, there's the ultimate martial arts. The ultimate swimming pro, the ultimate programmer, the ultimate
sorry,
clairvoyant, and then some. God damn! Reading that made me realize how totally powerless I was. It was the country's finest, top to bottom. I felt like a tame little house cat who'd wandered into a pride of lion. But still, there was something I couldn't stop thinking about. You see, there were a few students who I couldn't find any info on no matter how much I looked. With all those ultimate students, I'm the only one without any kind of worthwhile talent. But then, what about those other new students who didn't seem to pop up anywhere? Could they just be average students like me, without any talent or anything? That thought was kind of encouraging.
And I know the storyline, but I still can't, like, recite it, and I still don't understand it. I just have a mush
such an unbelievably average student like me get picked to come to this ultimate high school? I mean, I guess there is a reason. You just have to take one glance at the acceptance letter they sent me to see why. Okay, let's check it out, boys and girls.
You've been chosen.
We recently held a lottery to select one ordinary student to attend our school. As a result, you have been selected, and we invite you to join us as the ultimate lucky student. See, he is ultimate at something. He's ultimate at being the lucky student. They spelled it out plain as day. I got invited by pure luck. Are you sure that's lucky? I mean, are you sure? It was fate, I think. Honestly, I probably would have been better off just declining their offer. But after hearing how graduating was a guarantee for success later in life, I just couldn't say no. But then, actually standing there in front of the school, I started to feel lost, like I didn't belong there. I could feel myself losing my nerve. But still, I can't just stand here in front of the gate forever. Frozen in place, murmuring to myself, I looked down at the acceptance letter
Check your milk, guys. Don't
It said
wait.
there'd be a meeting for all incoming students in the main hall at 8 a.m. The meeting still isn't for a while, but I should probably just head in. Yeah, let's do this! I gathered up all my determination and tried to act like I'd done this a million times before. And I took my first step towards the main hall. This would just hurry up. Just making me read all these freaking novels? Come on, man. This is where we're supposed to meet, right? I guess I'm the first one here. There's a really elegant clock over in the corner. It says it's 7:10 a.m. The meeting doesn't start until 8 o'clock, so there's still a full 50 minutes left. It makes sense nobody else would be here yet. I was so wound up, I got here way too early.
No, don't play it on the TV.
Plenty of time before the meeting. Just standing around waiting isn't exactly... I should take a look around the school. Maybe that'll help me calm down a little. I am a student here now, so there shouldn't be any problem with me having to look around, right? It'll help me kill some time, if nothing else. Trying to play it cool, I took my first step into Hope's Peak Academy. It was also my first step towards starting a new life at a new school. At least that's what I was hoping for. And this dude is the ultimate overthinker.
For real.
What the ultimate ball tripping right now? But the instant I took the first step
He
forward,
on
my cubic
drugs.
warped, twisted. It was like some kind of delusion, melting away and mixing together into something else. Spinning, mixing, melting away, then spinning again.
We get it, Makoto.
Everything went black. That's how it all began. And now my life, I knew it came to an end. At that point, I should have realized the reason I was brought to Hope's Peak Academy wasn't because I had the ultimate good luck. It was so I could experience ultimate despair.
Oh lord.
As a way with words.
Yeah, Spiral Point
Welcome to
here.
Despair, prologue.
Uh-huh.
Okay, should I clap for that? That was the beginning? Okay, do you want to save the data? I didn't even do nothing. Like, I could literally just, like, close the game and start over. All I gotta do is fast forward that dialogue. Alright, empty slot 1, you have been filled. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Yeah, wake up.
Great
sleepy
anime voice.
Ooh, what? Where am I?
Horny.
I woke up with my head resting on top of a hard wooden desk. My body feels heavy. It's
I'm gonna let him.
pretty normal for me to zonk off in the middle of
Zonk
boring
off
class
sounds like
forever, but what does zonk
masturbation.
mean? Come on. I haven't played
so
Danganronpa for more
immature.
than 5 minutes. What does zonk mean? What was I doing to sleep here just now? This isn't a classroom I've ever been in before. What the heck is going on? I don't know, man. You tell me. You're the one in this school. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Oh, this music! Music
What's happening
is
here?
like so many
Welcome to
movies!
Hope Speak Academy. Firstly, we'd like to explain the basic controls. You can use the mouse to adjust your aim.
It's
If you aim
a
at an
shooting
object
line.
interact with, you can press with left mouse button. Ooh, I can actually like move around, you know, whoop left, whoop right, up, down, around. Like I can actually do those things. Hey. Use the WSD button to adjust your viewpoint, or you can press and hold the right mouse button and move the mouse around.
Then
Why don't you try looking
move
around the classroom?
around.
What, do that? Ooh. Okay. Oh, dang. Okay. I thought this was gonna be like some visual novel type stuff. I didn't actually know that we can actually move around and look around. Sick. That's the desk I fell asleep on. I can still see a line of drool I must have left there.
Makoto, you nasty.
Embarrassing. I'll have to clean that up later.
You nasty. Speak nasty. Ah! No! Dude.
Hey, what's that on the desk? An orientation guide. Some kind of cheap-looking pamphlet. There's something handwritten on it. Next semester is about to start. Starting today.
Well, I don't
your
know his
entire
laugh.
world.
It's been so
What
long.
the hell? Is this someone's idea of a joke?
Nah.
Yeah, it's not very funny either. Okay, let's check this out. What the heck? In any normal classroom, that's where a window should be.
But it, well,
It looks like some
shut up.
plate has been
Bo,
moved over it.
shut up.
If I were to knock on it. Yup, definitely metal. Big too.
Ooh.
Very solid. Wait, that's not what matters here. More importantly, why are there metal plates over the windows? So you can never escape! Oh, somebody's...
For real, he know it. He know it.
Camera. Is that a surveillance camera? It's a dangerous world we live in. I guess they had those to keep weirdos from just wandering in.
That's his monocam.
Yeah, sure.
Like, I've always
That's not
noticed
very
that, but I
helpful.
never said it out
Giant-ass
loud.
Camera just chilling right there.
No, they want to look at you, make sure you
Jeez, I
don't
can't believe it's already 8
move.
o'clock. It was just after 7 when I got here. Has it really been almost an hour since then?
Yes,
Yes,
bitch.
it has,
Yes,
sleepyhead.
no.
Okay, let's see. So what might have happened is, I got myself so wound up, I passed out in the main
He
hall.
passed
and then someone
out.
carried me
Wow.
here. If that's true, it must mean this is a classroom inside Hope's Peak.
I just don't
But
have
then
that
that's
special
true.
feeling in my
That
heart
just raises
again
more
when I
questions.
watch
This
this.
is all really strange.
And it's
I mean, those metal plates
But
covering the
that's
windows,
the way
it's like it's
it
a prison or
is.
something. None of this makes any sense. I should probably head back to the main hall. It's already past the meeting time, and there might be other students out there now.
Oh my
Leave the
god.
classroom by pressing the R key. Okay, you know what? Before we do that, I just wanna... Okay, you know what? Actually, we're gonna leave. Leave the area? Yes.
Yep.
C. Ooh. Hey, the graphics look better out here than in the classroom. Jeez, this hallway is kind of weird, too. This is getting stranger by the second. I honestly have no idea what's going on. Well, for now... Now I'll just head to the main hall. Use the WASD keys to move throughout the hallway. Hold down the shift key while moving to run.
Stan Higurashi.